Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching MCQ for all competitive exam. Today's topic Central State Relation in Indian Polity. All our previous year question we try to collect most important question. Please subscribe our channel. The recommendation of the Calcutta Task Force related to option A trade, option B foreign investment, option C banking, option D taxes. Your answer is taxes. The recommendation of Sarkaria Commission related to option A distribution of revenue, option B power and function of the President of India, option C member of the Parliament, option D central state relation. Your answer is central state relation. The President of India by order constitutes a finance commission every option A third year, option B fifth year or earlier as necessary, option C fifth year, option D seventh year. Your answer is fifth year or earlier as necessary. The Finance Commission. Option A draws up 5-year plans. Option B formulates monetary policy. Option C recommended pay revision of central government employees. Option D adjudicate on the sharing of resource between central and states. Your answer is adjudicate on the sharing of resource between central and states. When will demand become a grant? Option A when a demand is proposed. Option B after the discussion of demand is over. Option C after the demand is granted. Option D when the budget session is closed. Your answer is after demand is granted. Which agency acts as a coordinator between Union Government, Planning Commission and State Government? Option A National Integration Council, Option B Finance Commission, Option C National Development Council, Option D Interstate Council. Your answer is National Development Council. The first Finance Commission was constituted in option A 1950, option B 1951, option C 1952, option D 1954. Your answer is 1951. Which one of the following taxes is levied and collected by the Union but distributed between Union and state? Option A corporation tax, option B tax on income other than on agriculture income, option C tax on railway, ferries and freight, option D customs. Your answer is tax on income other than on agriculture income. 13th Finance Commission has been constituted under the chairmanship of option A YSP Throat, option B Montek Singh Ahluwalia, option C Rangarajan, option D Bijoy L Kelkar. Your answer is Bijoy L Kelkar. The largest item of expenditure in the current account of the central government budget is option A defense expenditure, option B subsidies, option C interest payments, option D expenditure on social service. Your answer is interest payment. Which one of the following forms the largest share of deficit in Government of India budget? Option A, primary deficit. Option B, revenue deficit. Option C, fiscal deficit. Option D, budgetary deficit. Your answer is fiscal deficit. For distribution of powers between union and the state, the Constitution of India introduced three lists. Which two of the following articles govern the distribution of power? Option A, Article 4 and 5. Option B, Article 141 and 142. Option C, Articles 56 and 57. Option D, Article 245 and 246. Your answer is Articles 245 and Article 246. Which of the following subjects lies in the concurrent list? Option A, agriculture. Option B, police. Option C, education. Option D, defense. Your answer is education. Financial distribution between the union and the states take place on the basis of recommendation of which one of the following? Option A, National Development Council. Option B, Interstate Council. Option C, Planning Commission. Option D, Finance Commission. Your answer is Finance Commission. Recommendation to the President of India on the Pacific Union State fiscal relations are made by Option A, Finance Minister. Option B, Planning Commission. Option C, Finance Commission. Option D, Reserve Bank of India. Your answer is Finance Commission. Who is the chairman of 12th Finance Commission? Please answer on comment. Who is the chairman of 2nd Administrative Reforms Commission? Option A, Bimal Jalan. Option B, Birappa Moily. Option C, Karan Singh. Option D, Ahmed Patel. Your answer is Birappa Moily. In which one of the following does the subject of cooperative societies fall? Option A, union list. Option B, concurrent list. Option C, residuary power of union government. Option D, state list. Your answer is state list. The entry public health and sanitation is included in the Constitution of India in union list. Option B, concurrent list. Option C, state list. Option D, none of these. Answer is state list. Thank you watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.